This Excel tutorial is about sorting and filtering options in Excel. So this is my sample data with me, right? I can attach this sample data with you in the description below, right? So firstly, I'll tell you how to apply filters over here. So I have selected the first cell, that is the A1 cell. Here under the home tab we have editing options. Here under the editing options we have sort and filtering option. So here if I click, I have filter option, right? And the shortcut it is writing is control plus shift plus L. You can click on this filter option, and this drop down like buttons will be enabled here, and from this you can filter your data. Like for example, I have the such material or uh, parts data here, and I wanna see, I have data for in stock and out of stock materials. So I wanna see what all materials are out of stock so that I can order them. So here I will be clicking on my this drop down button, and I will be clicking out of, I will be selecting out of stock uh, data, and click on OK, and it will show me all the out of stock data here. So if I just select all the values of out of stock, it will show me below the count. That is count 6. So I have 6 parts which are out of stock. This is the part number and this is part name, right? If I wanna clear this filter, I will select it, and here under the option I have clear option. We can clear it. Now another way of doing this is, let me remove this filter. To remove this filter, again go to sort and filter and again select filter. It will remove it. Now another way, just we will be using the shortcut control shift L. So it is not getting started for me. I'll check what is the solution, and here filter option. So here if you just right click on it, here after right clicking you will be able to see filter option here, and uh, here we are able to see filter by selected cells value, cell color icon, and all select value, and uh, let me just select some value here. Filter select by selected value, and it will select the in stock. It will filter out all the values with in stock value, right? So let me right click again, filter, and clear filter from status. Now if I just select out of stock value and right click, filter, and select filter by selected sales value, it will give filter for out of stock value for status, right? Again I will right click on status, filter, and clear filter from status. This way we can clear it. Now a second option for is here sorting. Now so we have three types of columns here. Two columns are purely text based. One column is numeric with price, and two columns are numeric plus text based. So for example, I want to sort part price, which is numeric column. So there are again two ways to do it. I'll select the part price column header, then under home tab we have editing fee options and sort and filter. Here we have the options for sort A to Z and sort Z to A. A to Z means lowest to highest, means smallest to greatest, and Z to A means highest to lowest, means greatest value to smallest value. You can do from here, or else right click on the column name. We have sort option and we can sort from here, right? Let me just sort it A to Z, which will sort me with smallest value to greatest value, right? If you can observe the sorting order here. Now to clear the sort, again we have two options. So right click here, sort, custom sort. Here you can custom the sort, and to clear it out, again clear. It will clear the sorting, but the data will be as it is, right? Now again right click here, sort. Here is sort Z to A. It will sort from greatest value to smallest value. Now this is the numeric column. You can do the same for non-numeric, that is text column. Right click, sort, sort A to Z. It will sort with the alphabetical order, just like your attendance register, right? So this is only two value column, so it will not show you the impact as of now. Like you can observe from part name, let's say right click, sort A to Z. So you will be able to see the sorting. First three values starting with A, then B, then there is C. Now if I just resort it for Z to A, then the sorting order is reversed here, right? Now next thing we are gonna see is for supplier ID and part number. So if you are able to see, this is sorted in reverse order, TS 148, 147, 146. So this is like TS is common for all the values here, right? And after that we have numeric values. So whatever the way we sort it, it will reflect, TS will be as it is, and it will sort it on the numeric basis, right? Sort A to Z. So if I sorted A to Z, TS is common, no difference. It will sort 101, 102, 103, smallest to greatest value. Same way this part number. So let me sort it Z to A. A0 is common. It will sort from the other number present at the last. Right? So this is sorting. Also, to filter out your data, let's say there is part name. You wanna search for some part. Let's say what all type of oils I have. So let me search for oil, and there are four types of oils present, and I will click on OK. So all four type of oils will be coming up here. Now to clear it, we can just do from here clear filter from, and the filter is cleared out. Now again let me just do for AC, select all, AC pump, click on OK, and I have this one value. Now to clear it out, just clear filter, And also one more type of filtering you can do is text filter, which is equals, and you can type something AC. Okay, what it will reflect, it reflected nothing at all, because purely AC thing is not there. AC plus anything else is there, right? Let me show you. AC pump, right? Standalone AC was not present, that's the reason it didn't give you anything. See you in the next tutorial for one of the most important features in Excel,